In this demo, we're going to be showing what a future analytics platform at CalSAWS could look like and how that platform could bring more access to data and insights to various county users. The goal of this demo is to show key features and functionality across three areas: chat-based access to insights, enhanced data discovery, and seamless data access and sharing. So first, let's start with our persona. She's a senior level program manager for a California county currently overseeing CalFresh. She wants to be informed with data whenever making business decisions. Now, she has an ad hoc ask. She believes that there could be a demographic access issue and she wants to see if the data confirm or disprove her hunch. So let's see how she would get started. Within the analytics platform, we will release a chat-based tool for analytics. This is similar to a ChatGPT interface where you can ask questions in natural language, and instead of a text response, it will provide you with a data report or visualization. Here it provides relevant questions to help get you started. It's suggesting we could ask how many applications were submitted for fiscal year 24 and 25 in Riverside County. So let's see what it pulls back. Let's expand on this initial response. We can choose from the provided follow-ups, or we can ask our own question. Let's ask it to show it over the last 12 months. There's no need to repeat the previous question. We now see a more detailed output with a line chart provided. We can further drill down to have the tool calculate some rates that we may be interested in. Let's see the application approval and denial rate over the same period. CalSAWS has configured the space to set rules and guardrails to ensure the model pulls back data that is most relevant and accurate to the questions being asked and to prompt users to query it correctly. We will also provide sample queries so the model can learn to translate CalSAWS-specific business questions into queries against the gold layer data products. Now let's continue to follow up on that same thread. Let's drill down and explore some demographic splits. So after English, which language was the most used on submitted applications? Let's show the total by this language. Here we see it identified Spanish and provided the total counts. Now that we know that Spanish is the second most commonly used language, let's see how it compares to English over time. We can see it over the last 12 months. We now see a trend comparing applications submitted in the two languages. Now, because the tool provides code behind each generated response, our county manager can give this to a data team to collaborate on further building this out into a dashboard. Now let's see a dashboard that we've already created. Here we have a dashboard built out to see various cuts of CalFresh application and issuance data. CalSAWS will provide many core reports and dashboards similar to this one that can be pulled into a county workspace and easily customized to add additional insights. It can then be downloaded as a PDF or made available to business users for them to subscribe to. Now, all data products, including reports and dashboards, will be subject to our governance rules in place when pulled into a county workspace. This makes it so that users can only see data relevant to their county, including automatically masking PII and PHI within the datasets down to individual rows and columns. So now that we have this, let's navigate to the catalog. Here we can see all the gold layer data products created by CalSAWS for use by the counties. We can navigate into a table and see that the platform provides a business description for all the tables and columns to help users understand the data that is required for analysis. If an analyst wants to see how data flows through the system, we can open the lineage view to see a full visual representation. And should they need it, they can also navigate to the notebooks to see how the code was created for the data products that they subscribe to. All this enables technical users to quickly see how data is transformed and how it ties to business definitions, allowing them to spend less time trying to understand the data and more time actually getting to insights. Now, once an analyst is equipped with this understanding of the data, they can navigate to the query editor, where they can run queries from the dashboard and then save and maintain them for future use in multiple dashboards and reports. Now, if the analyst wanted to pull the same data into a favorite BI tool, the platform provides data sharing to easily connect their tool to the platform. This provides flexibility to the county to use tools that they may already have. When a connection file is downloaded and opened, our CalSAWS data will appear in Tableau, ready for self-serve analytics. This is the same columns and data that we just saw in the platform. Now, using the same approach, we can also share gold layer data to a county data warehouse, allowing them to combine CalSAWS data products with their own county data. This is similar to what's being done in EDRs today. So to summarize, in this demo, we saw how natural language analytics can make data available to all users, how technical users can access data definitions and lineage to find the right data needed for their analyses, and how counties can get direct and secure access to core data and then customize it to fit their own unique needs.